Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial on CS384. This time we will learn about chaining comparison operators. The name looks complex, but it's very easy. It's quite logical. So initially we clear our terminal outputs. If you are on Linux and Mac, use os.system clear. On Windows, use CLS. Okay, so here is a small statement that I am saying x less than y less than equal to z is equivalent to x less than y and y is less than equal to z, right? It means the same. Like a equal to b and b equal to c, it means a is equal to b is equal to c, right? So let us see what happens here in Python. So when I say x is equal to 5, I am saying print, as I say, whenever you are doing some comparison, the output is always a Boolean variable. Correct? Output is always a Boolean variable. So 1 is less than 5 is less than 10. So internally what the interpreter evaluates is 1 is less than x and x is less than 10. So indirectly what it operates is like 1 is less than 5 and 5 is less than 10. Internally it operates as 1 is less than 5 is true and true, right? Because 5 is also less than 10. So what is true and true is true, right? So the first printout will print true to you. See, the first print is true. Similarly, we say 10 is less than 5 is less than 20, right? So 10 is less than 5, which is a false. So whenever you encounter the first false, because in AND, right? Implicitly when you are chaining the operators like x less than y less than z less than p less than q, everything is separated by the and, right? So once again let us see the table for and is 0 0 is 0 0 1 is 0 1 0 is 0 1 1 is 1. So basically it says if one of them is false or 0, output is 0, right? So basically the moment we see here 10 is less than 5, we need not check the conditions in the further things. It will automatically evaluate to false, which is here. Now I'm saying x is less than 10. So 5 is less than 10, which is less than x into 10. 5 into 10, right? 50. Of course, 10 is less than 50 and is less than 100, right? So this statement becomes true. Okay. 10 greater than x. So 5 is greater than 10 and less than equal to 9. Okay, just a minute. I think the value of x is modified here. Print x. Okay, 10 is okay, sorry, 10 is greater than x. Yes, that is true because 10 is greater than 5 and 5 is less than equal to 9. So both again are true. 5 is equal to x, that is fine because x is 5, and of course x is greater than 4, so this evaluates to true. Let us see a long example. A comma b comma c comma d e f, we are giving 6 values to it. Now the expression is a is less than equal to b less than c greater than d is not in e is f. So how does this internally expand? So we will go step by step. Take two operators and then write an AND. So see, I am writing here a is less than equal to b. I use two operators a and b, and then I am writing AND. Now I begin from the second operator because chaining is there, right? The middle operator is common to both. So next is b is less than c. I am writing b is less than c. Then I will use AND because chaining is implicitly AND. Then I take a third value. C is greater than D. C is greater than D. Okay, then AND. D is not E. I am using two variables, D and E. D is not E and E is F, right? So now let us see what are the value. A is less than B, 0 is less than 5, right? Which is true. B is less than C, 5 is less than 12, which is again true. C is greater than D, 5 is greater than 12, which is again true. See, I'm writing true below this, they are truth values. Let me make it more clear. Then we were D is not E. So what is D? A, B, C, D. 0 is not 15, which is again true because 0 is not 15, true. And E is F. E and F both are 15, which is true. So true and true and true and true and true. The final output is true. This is the expression A is D, right? A is D. What is A? A is 0, D is 0, which is true. D is greater than F, 0 is greater than F, which is false. So you need not check anything further. Even if all these are true, right? Let me take you through this example once again. So let's say in this expression, print exp1 is here. Okay. In this expression, exp1, which evaluated to be true, right? When I'm printing exp1, second last is true. Whenever you have a chaining operator, just see one false condition, right? Let me make a greater than equal to b, right? 0 greater than equal to 5, but I just flipped it. 0 greater than equal to b, false. So you need not check anything here. Then expression is automatically false. See, the expression is false. So in chaining operator, just remember one golden rule. You need not check the entire thing. Just check for one false statement and you are done. Okay. So that's it with the chaining operators. Thank you for watching. Have a good time.